Please open the Google Forms, then go to the Google Forms, then click on the quiz you want to edit or evaluate. Yeah, this is the quiz what we want to evaluate. These are all the questions. Go to responses, then here there is summary, and you can see the number of students participated here, and you can also see that the score is not released yet, because the score will be released once it is evaluated, because the thing is we have set it like the quizzes like later after manual review. That's what we have set. So the scores are yet not released, because this is a subjective type of the question. And yeah, you can see how many number of the students have participated in this quiz. About 62 responses are there from different students. Of course, we can also see so many ID numbers and also the mobile numbers as we have given in the form. Yeah, here a very small statistical analysis is there, presentations and other thing, how the individual students have answered this thing. So now it's time to what you call as the evaluation. Here you can see that the questions answered by individual questions and answered by different people. Here in individual questions, we have set so many questions here, and individual students have given the individual responses. So now next we will go to individuals. So this is accepting the response, means if the student is still writing, you can allow him to submit the answer. If you close this one, he cannot submit the answer. So you for evaluation of a particular paper, you have to go to the individual, then he is an individual, his name is Dhanush B. Then go to the ID number. This fields there are no marks at all. So here are the questions what he has answered. So doxycycline, what he has written is an what you call as the tablets. If it is correct, put 1 marks, or if it is not correct, put 0. Leave it is as it is. Gentamicin is an injection, so you can put it as 2 marks. Then it's here it comes as save. So it is saved now. So when all this evaluation is over, then you can go for the final submission. You can go for final release of the scores here. To that, if you press this particular button, the score will be released to that particular student, Dhanush Chand, like this. So that's how we have to evaluate this particular paper. Thank you very much.